You feel it, don't you? That gut punch every time you try to rally your team, to push your vision forward, only to hit a wall of tired minds, outdated thinking, and fake consensus. It's maddening. The noise, the endless meetings that lead nowhere, the talent surrounded by silence instead of electric ideas sparking off each other. The frustration isn't just about business. It's a deep, gnawing ache that your brilliance is trapped, that the world isn't built for builders anymore. Systems are designed to filter out the wild thinkers, mask the bold moves, and keep the many compliant, comfortable in mediocrity, while your potential screams for more. You aren't broken, it's the system. The cruel lie that says lone genius beats the collective, that leadership is about command, not connection. But here's the brutal truth. The founders, the real game changers, the ones who will break this cycle, survive because they harness the power of collective genius. Not by calling more meetings or stacking agendas, but by crafting a living network that blends raw talent with fire, trust with challenge, freedom with accountability. Forget old school teams. Build ecosystems of wildly talented rebels who see failure as fuel and ideas as weapons. How? First, tear down the illusion that everyone must follow the same path. Make space for fierce individuality, but demand that every voice must carry weight, responsibility, and commitment to the mission. No more coasting on credentials or titles. The next move depends on ruthless meritocracy, where respect is earned every day by persistent excellence and fearless action. Next, stop chasing consensus. Ignite constructive conflict. Create safe arenas where clashing views explode into breakthrough thinking. This is no place for yes men or silence. This is a battlefield for ideas. Feed disagreement with respect, but never shy away from tearing apart the comfortable illusions that hold your team hostage. Then, break the barriers that drag you down, the borders of culture, geography, and outdated loyalty. Connect fiercely with those who operate on your wavelength everywhere on the planet. Build raw trust fast by obsessing over radical transparency. Share failures, ambitions, even fears. This breeds a bond that no standard hierarchy can touch. And here's the game changer. You don't lead the collective by steering every move. You architect the environment and then get out of the way. Empower your network to self-organize, self-correct, and self-elevate. Their fire fuels your vision faster than any command ever could. Finally, remember, freedom isn't just a feel-good word. It's the deep, relentless insistence that you live on your terms, that those terms serve nothing less than transformation on the grandest scale. Capital isn't the goal, it's the rocket fuel. Diversity isn't distraction, it's the source of lightning-fast innovation. And legacy? It's written by those who refuse to submit to comfort, by those who connect the few who dare to remake everything. The pain you feel every day, the isolation, the frustration, the knocks from a world that doesn't get the future you see, that pain is your call to arms. Ignite the collective genius around you with brutal honesty, fierce respect, and uncompromising demand for growth. Build the web that can't be broken. Lead the few who will free the many. This is how visionary thinkers win today. This is how real change breaks through. And if that doesn't make your blood roar, then this message isn't for you. But if it does, lean in, because the revolution you're waiting for starts now, in the network you build, the fire you strike, the future you refuse to accept as given.